we are preparing aloo parathas. We need some items just like potatoes, onion, flour, chilies, etc. etc. and oil. We are the team. Our team name is Angara, and we are cooking aloo parathas. Take the dough and pour the water. अरे Okay, I mash the potato and add the all items like chilies, onion, uh, jalapeno, salt, and I am going to add one by one like that. Adding the chili, adding the salt according to your taste, and now I am mash the all items. Thank you. And after that, I am doing the mixed potato, fill in the dough, and roll the aloo parathas just like this. It will be very tasty and delicious, and it is a very famous in India, especially in the Bihar. We are making it just like this. You can see and roll. We are very happy to in this competition, and hopefully we are the winner. And thank you, Team Indo America.
Making the paratha, and it is a very tasty. And
coriander leaf and green chili and garlic and adrak paste. Okay, now I am mixing the machine. Can serve the decorate my plate, and this is a very healthy for a summer time. And all my team member is ready and ready for my food, and I serve my guest, and we are going to serve. This is very delicious and very beautiful.